Thank you once again for taking your time out to watch our short videos here at National Gear. This here's one of our large P&H boxes that we just received in from one of our top clients in the Sierra Mountains. This box here, as you can see, has been in the, it's been in the boneyard for a while. National Gear Repair will be doing a full disassemble. We'll be stripping all bearings off the shafts, replacing all bearings. We'll be custom manufacturing some covers because the customer did not supply them, obviously. And repairing any shaft to seal areas that might be worn. If we find that the bearing wearing areas are worn, National Gear Repair will rebuild, rehone, and reline bore the bearing bores. And if any seal areas are worn, we will be repairing them with tungsten carbide, metal spray obviously, and then regrind into OEM specs. The gearing seems to be in good condition. It probably needs some, some relapping or some honing on the gears. There's probably a lot of condensation in here once we pop the lid. But continue to watch this short video as we continue to go through the tearing apart, inspection, and the rebuilding process. And then once we're done, we will be putting this gearbox on our test bench, our horizontal boring mill. We will be simulating a light load and running at 1750 RPM to make sure that there's no vibration, any overheating, any leaking, any abnormalities. Here at National Gear Repair, all of our work comes with a 24-month warranty from the date of startup. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for taking the time to watch our videos here at National Gear. This here is one of our larger P&H gearboxes we're doing for one of our customers in Northern California on the Sierra Mountains, I believe it is. This here is a P&H crane for the lumber industry. And we'll be doing a full rebuild, a full disassemble, repair the bearing wearing areas, repair shaft seal areas with tungsten carbide, then regrind. So when we apply the new OEM seal, it's going to be a nice, snug, sealed, tight finish. And obviously all new bearings and seals, tinted bearings and seals. So this year we'll be going to sandblast. It looks in horrible condition. So please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And continue to watch this video to we can show you the comparison of what it was before and after. Thank you. you for staying with us during the duration of this video. We're now at the finish line. This is our P&H crane gearbox that National Gear did a full rebuild. This box is sitting out in the customer's boneyard for years, probably about 20 years. And this box came in full of water, condensation. It was actually a small snake in here, to be honest. Dead snake. Needless to say, we replaced all bearings and seals. National Gear manufactured new flanges, new covers. This gave us the ability to set the proper preloads and the proper floats on the bearings. The gears were hand dressed with a special clean sport pad, which simulates a grind finish. So in order to get all the condensation off, we put some special lubricants and we hand polished. We are now testing the box. We will continue to run for the next 3 hours, a little over 3 hours. And so far, no leaking, no vibration, no abnormality. So far, everything is running perfect. So do not forget to like, share, and subscribe at National Gear Repair. All our work is warranted for 24 months from the date of install. And, well, thank you.